Hi everybody, Chef Brandon here, finally coming at you with a video. I've been wanting to make one for you guys for quite a while, but as you can imagine, cooking stuff and all that takes a long time. But this week we are ahead of schedule and everything is tasting great. You're going to love it, and now I have time to make a video. It's a particularly good week to make a video for you too, because many people are probably wondering why we gave you something that looked like a vitamin with your food this week. It's actually not a vitamin, it is a super enzyme tablet. So, before I explain exactly which food you should probably take it with, I'll give you a quick rundown of what an enzyme is. Almost all chemical reactions in a biological cell need enzymes in order to occur at rates fast enough to sustain life. There are over 4,000 chemical reactions that involve enzymes that we know of so far, and we see them every day. We use them every day. They're not only are in our bodies, but many dish soaps and degreasers use enzymes in order to break down the fat molecules. Enzymes in meat tenderizers, which break down the protein molecules and make the meat easier to chew. A good example I like to use is bruised apple. Whenever you drop an apple, you notice that there's a little brown spot that's bruised. Basically, what that has done is triggered its natural enzyme to start breaking down that part of the apple. In fact, that apple is technically digesting part of itself when it does that. So that's what a bruise is. It's an apple whose enzymes have been activated. You can pretty much recognize any enzyme in its suffix "ase". For example, protein is digested by a protease. Fat cells, or fat molecules, also known as lipids, are digested by lipase, and carbohydrates are digested by amylase. Enzymes are found naturally in all raw foods. And once we cook foods, the enzymes die. The enzymes die at around 113 degrees. That's one of the many reasons why we have so many digestive problems in Western society, is because we eat a lot of dead food that's been overcooked or processed or refined and things of that nature. It strips it of all the enzymes and natural substances that help us digest it. So chewing your food really well takes care of a lot of the carbohydrates, but not the fat or the protein. The pancreas is where a lot of the protease comes from, and lipase as well. Some people who are lactose intolerant can actually enjoy lactose again by simply taking a lactase enzyme. Digestive enzymes are completely harmless. In fact, I would go even beyond harmless and say that they're very beneficial for everybody, but especially those who suffer from bloating or gas or heartburn, often from foods. A digestive enzyme can take care of that right away, well, in about 15 minutes or so. And the ironic thing is that often for indigestion we take antacids, and what that does is it neutralizes your stomach acid, which, yes, it fixes the symptom, but it's actually could make problems worse, because it neutralizes your stomach acid, which basically stops digestion. So instead of taking antacids, which could lead to further problems, maybe try a digestive enzyme next time. And it actually will digest the food that your stomach is having problem processing and get it through there. I had a conversation recently with a customer, which kind of inspired me to bring up the whole enzyme concept, and also the fact that I ate a lot of the lentil soup while I was cooking it and did not take my enzyme, and our coworkers and everyone at the HealthSavor headquarters suffered the consequences, if you know what I'm saying. So, next time, I'll take my digestive enzyme. And that's what I actually included it for this week, is try it with your lentil soup. If you have problems with lentils or legumes in general, perhaps a digestive enzyme is all you need. There's no drug interaction with them. They're completely harmless, no matter what medication you're on. And you can't overdose on enzymes. Anything that you don't use, you simply excrete. So, to put it simply, enzymes lower the activation energy needed to metabolize any chemical reaction, which basically means that without enzymes we wouldn't even be able to consume enough calories a day just to run our bodies. Enzymes make things more efficient. Most enzymes are protein themselves, so in order to increase the chances of it actually making through the stomach without them being broken down and killed, it's good to take your enzymes with your food. 1 to 2 pills usually works, and these super enzymes are no joke, so one usually does it for me. So don't be scared, feel free to give them a try, and I hope that it helps you if you're someone who has issues with legumes or lentils. And a very important key is to take a comprehensive enzyme. It should have a protease, a lipase, an amylase, as well as a few beneficial herbs that also help digestion. That's what the enzyme I included for you this week has. That's why it's called a super enzyme. It's got everything you need to digest anything you could possibly eat. So, hope it helps, and feel free to message me and let me know if it helped or if not. And I plan on doing some more videos on digestion because it's a super complex and very important topic that even has implications for autoimmune diseases like arthritis and fibromyalgia and many more. So stay tuned and enjoy, and thanks for ordering, and contact me if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.